Super Formula Lights into Lagos in Brazil. I crashed in my qualifying, so I'm mid-pack.
Green, green, green.
So let's see how we get on. Lovely track this. Lovely car combination and track. No fast repair, so I need to be careful on this first lap, these first few corners.
You're on the left, 3 wide. Right side, 2 wide. You're on the left, 3 wide.
I mean, that guy wasn't giving me any room, was he?
2 wide. Car right, 2 wide. Keep to the left. There's an incident.
Okay, somebody's off.
Slow car ahead. Clear.
Slow car ahead.
The leader.
Somewhere. Somebody coming out of the pits. That's a good idea. They're out ahead of us, aren't they, by the looks of it? This is normally fourth. Well, I'm not sure what this yellow car's doing. I mean, I had to go slow because of him, and that's allowed this car to get by, this Ferrari. Okay, well, let's be a bit careful through here. So at least get through the first lap with no problems if we can. Yeah, I don't know what this yellow car's doing. Seems to be a bit slow. I'm having to avoid him, and it's less cost me a place, isn't it? Two places now, because I had to slow down again for that yellow car. I don't know what they're doing.
Stay on the right.
Okay, well, I just have to... I'm going to get mullered here.
Still there.
I'm getting mullered here because these two are going to go by. Ah, not good. Well, 3 of them are going by. What the hell?
4, 6, 1. Keep to the right. Left side.
Christ,
2
I've been
wide.
completely mugged. Okay, this is who I'm racing with then, by the looks of it. Blimey. Well, that didn't work out, did it? I must have worked my way all the way to the back, more or less. Not good. Okay, well, let's regroup. See if I can make any progress, because this is not looking good so far. Just get into my rhythm, if I can. Yeah, I got completely bloody snookered there, didn't I? It was that yellow car, kept going slow where I wasn't expecting it to, and that just let everyone else get by. So I'm blaming that yellow car. I was a bit slow through there, so I can't blame the yellow car for that. Let's see if I can get a bit of a slipstream anyway. Help me keep up, if I can. So I wasn't the quickest round here. I did struggle a little bit. Did quite a bit of practice, but just didn't quite grasp
5.2.2.
the track, I don't think. Never quite got there. Need to be in the 29s or 28s if I can. I'm in the 32s at the moment. So I need to go quicker than this. There's a bit of a group of cars up ahead. I'm being caught by the guy behind as well, I think. So we're going to be all together by the looks of it. I need to close in, really. There's definitely a whole pile of cars here. A big train, isn't there? This guy behind's got my slipstream, I think.
Just set the fastest lap. 28.6.
Okay.
9.
So at least I'm in the 30s now.
30.228. You've just set your fastest lap of the session. Clear on the right.
Yeah, I think you made a mistake trying to go by there. Turn my fan on. I think I'm going to need it. This is an exciting bit of the track. Yeah, looks like I've got a decent line through there. There's that Ferrari that got by us, isn't it? Is he going backwards?
Go right.
Certainly is. See if we can close back in. I don't want to get dropped because of that crash. Yeah, I thought I might get off track there. Need to try and close back in again. Leave those behind.
The car in P3 just set the fastest lap. 28.599, 30.826. There's an incident ahead. Slow
Incident ahead, okay.
Sorry, but what?
Oh dear. They weren't happy with that. Okay, that's given us a chance to close up on these two, and there's a gap ahead now, unfortunately. So whether we'll close, I don't know.
There's an incident ahead. You got a slow car on the right.
Someone else has gone off. So they've got back on by the looks of it. Well, we've closed back in a little bit, haven't we? Which is good. I can just cling on to them in this section. This is probably my slowest section, I think. I'm not quite sure on this corner. Not getting the exit very well. Just about in the slipstream though, that might help me.
The car in P1 just set the fastest lap. 28.4.
Bloody hell, 28.4, we're nowhere near that. 29s, blimey.
29.925. That was your fastest lap of the session. Go right. There's an
Okay, well, he didn't get that right, did he? Cost us a load of time, but it's another place gained, I guess. Blimey.
Dude, what are you doing?
So I don't know what happened there. Whose fault that was, but we've lost a bit of time, yeah? So need to try and get it back if we can. Oh, nearly went off. Trying too hard. Okay, less of a group of cars now. Just about got stopped. Thought I wasn't going to stop then. Okay, so losing out a little bit here.
La veré después de carrera, Buitriago. No es culpa mía, perdón. Pero no tenía tampoco mucho espacio tampoco.
Okay, we're okay from behind by the looks of it.
The leader just did a.
It's just can we catch up?
096.
Can we catch up? We're out of slipstream this lap, but maybe we can get back in it.
The car in P.
That's that yellow car, isn't it?
Set the fastest lap. 28.455. 30.
We lost a lot of time here because of that crash, didn't we? So going a bit better. 1.3 because they've got slipstream, so they're concertinaing up. So whether we can close up here.
10 minutes to go. Go right. We are where we
Oh.
expected to be.
That flipping yellow car.
You've got wheel
How
down.
many times?
One of your wheels is out of alignment. You'll have
Right.
less grip out there.
God, he's a right pain in the arse, this guy. Bloody yellow car. Well, my steering's all wonky.
Left side. Clear.
That's really bugging me up, isn't it? Thank you, yellow car.
Car on your left. The car in P3. Just set the fastest lap.
That is annoying.
28.434. Clear on the left. 34.502. Car on your left. You're in the middle. 3 wide. Left side. 2
Somebody
wide.
hit me then. I think they
Clear on
did.
the left. The car behind is closing on you. The gap is.
I think they did.
1.2 seconds.
Bastards.
The car behind is closing
Look,
on
I got 10x.
1.2 seconds. Looks
I need
like
to
your car
pit
is
for
safe.
repairs.
You'll need to
Bloody
go back to
hell.
your lane. Press and hold the reset button
mean,
and we'll come and get you. You've got
I've done nothing wrong.
Looks like one of your
Absolutely
wheels is
nothing
out of
wrong.
alignment. You'll have less
And
grip
now
out
I'm
there.
out of the race because there's no fast repair. I mean, there's what? How could I have avoided any of that? Oh, Jesus Christ, iRacing. This does annoy me sometimes, I have to say. Jesus. Well. Not a lot I can do about it, is there, eh? So it's telling me I've got a pit. Well, what, I mean, is there any point in pitting?
The car in P1 just set the fastest lap. 28.36.
I'm going to keep going, so I think I've got 2 laps to pit or something, so... There's no fast repair, so I'm out once I've pitted. Bloody hell. That bloody yellow car. Okay, it's not telling me how many laps I've got left to pit. I'm just going to keep on going. For now, then I'll pit near the end, I guess. Get as many laps as I can. I mean, I'm even going quicker, aren't I? That's because I've got less fuel on board.
The car in P1 just set the fastest lap. 28.2.
Okay, I might as well come in. I don't want to get disqualified.
Right side. Clear on the right.
So whilst we're waiting, we just have a look at that replay. So we saw us hit the yellow car. I don't need to look at that again. But then what were these two guys doing? They came either side of me, and I think one of them just ran into the back of me, didn't they? That's what it felt like. Yeah, just straight into the back. And that's what then gives me the having to pit because he went into the back of me.
We're done. Get going.
Okay, I don't know if I'm going to come out ahead of anyone, because I think some others went in the pits as well, so we just need to get out as quick as we can, because I could see on the track map somebody was coming down who looked like I might be racing them. Not sure. Keep out of anyone who's a lap ahead, but I don't know, where am I? Still a chance to get to limit the damage, I guess. So I'm showing a 16th. We Need to be a bit careful because my tyres will have cooled down, I think. Hopefully they'll be alright by now.
Go on the right side.
Bloody yellow car. Okay, well the car's not perfect, but it's much better than it was. There was still like 7 minutes optional repairs or something. So I'm 16th. They're a lap ahead anyway, those guys, so I can't really race them.
You just got the white flag.
White flag. Okay, well,
The car in front is pitting.
one more lap of pain. Somebody's pitting. Okay.
1.745.
Whether that'll help me or not, I don't know. They might be too far ahead. That's a real shame, that. Having a good race there. Somebody blinking ahead. Okay. Well, we're not racing these guys, so I'll keep away from them. Well, that's it then, I guess. 16th. What could have been, eh? That's a shame. Is this going to be my best lap of the race? Will I get a nice slipstream? It will be. Yeah, look at that.
You got a slow car on the left.
Goodness.
Left side, car stop on the left.
How annoying. Okay, well, let's have a look at those incidents, shall we?
Flag.
Okay then, so the start, there was, so somebody just drifted off wide and, yeah, got tapped. There was a couple of little taps, I think, at the start, and someone's coming out the pits. Actually, coming out of the pits, they've managed to do really well, haven't they? And what else? Oh, so somebody went off there and they're facing the wrong way. What else happened then? Who's this? Oh, right, okay, so, yeah, that's what happened to them. Oh, dear, oh, dear. Didn't hold his brakes. Yeah, we've seen that one. Then what's next? So this is a place... Oh, yeah, hit the curb and took him out. And kept going. Why is it the ones that take others out keep going? That's not fair, is it? Oh, dear. Yeah, I know what that feels like. Driving one of those. Oh, yeah. Well, that was never going to work, was it? Oh, dear. So what's happening here? Is he going to run into the back of him? Or go... Oh, blimey. Well, that was unusual, wasn't it? Just braked and went off. And that's the end of his race. He's in the pits. Okay, this is that bloody yellow car. Yeah. And here's me. I'm going to hit him, aren't I? Yeah, couldn't stop. Well, he was driving forward, wasn't he? Didn't... Oh, that was annoying. That was so annoying. Okay, is this going to go off on his own? Yeah, just all on his own. No one around. Nice little spin. And that was it. Well, let's see what that's done for us and the results. So that was second out of 3 splits. Big drop in safety rating, sorry. I mean, I had 10x. None of which was my fault, I think. I think I might have had one off track, but the rest of it was just people bashing into me or throwing themselves off the road in front of me. Dropped 43 I rating, so not great. Lap time wise, so yeah, 28.1 was the best. I was all the way down here. I mean, I wasn't last, look. But a 29.8. I think it could have gone a bit quicker if I'd been going for longer, but not into the 28s. I've got a fair bit of work to do, I think. But yeah, good fun. Enjoyed it. But yeah, that bloody yellow car. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And tell your friends, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.